There we go. Now you see why I have why we have the platform. I can now take big bundles, put it right on top there, and not stifle out my fire. Good job. Good job. Oh man, that feels nice. Of course, the wind always blows in your face. Oh man. But, you know, in this case, honestly, I'll take it. Now, you can all see why I've been complaining out here. You got pretty much zero temperatures, if not a little below, with this crazy wild wind. And it's ugly. It's really ugly. Really ugly. Whoa. Very ugly. Sun's starting to set too.